Alright guys, so welcome back to the competition. We're now going into round 3. We are flying up.
Up to the moon. You want to go up to the moon? Yes. Question number 1. Let's find me the side word. Find me the side word. The. Time starts. Now.
Okay, so we're looking for the word the. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Okay, we're looking for the word the. Alright, great. Now, guys, it is number 1. The. Alright, guys, moving on to question number 2. I am looking for the word see. See. I'm looking for the word see. As in, I see a big banana. So I'm looking for the word see. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Looking for the word see. Your time starts now.
Put the answer down, one. Answer down on the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The answer is number 3. Hooray! Now.
As in, I see lots of really clever children. Well done, guys. Great job.
Miss Hum missed the word side word I. Side word I. Time starts now.
Alright, guys, great job. Moving on to question number 4. Question number 4, I am looking for the word is. I'm looking for the word is. So, number 1, 2, or 3, I'm looking for the word is. Your time starts now. I'm looking for the word is. Is.
Sit nicely.
3, 2, 1. Show me your answers now. Wowee. Great job, guys.
The answer
Great
is
job.
number 1.
As the teacher is very happy with his class today. Great job, guys.
I need everyone to put the answer down on the floor, okay? Now, each of you will have the basket.
Alright, guys, so in front of you, you have a basket full of the side word. So, in a moment, teacher will ask you for a word. You need to have a look in your basket and find it. Alright, guys. The first word I'm looking for is look. The first word I'm looking for is look.
Find me the word look. In the basket. Don't look at your friends.
Hide it.
Hide it. Hide it. Hide it on the floor. Go up.
Okay, show me your answers now.
Very good, everyone. The side word is. I don't feel the side word. know the Skyward 2. Can you make a sentence with the Skyward 2? T-O-2. Can you go to school by bus? Yes. Do you walk to school? Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. The next word I'm looking for is big. Who can find me the word big? Yes, I'm looking for big. Your time starts now. Remember, find the word, don't show it yet. Find the word, don't show it yet. I'm looking for the word big. Big. Alright, words up, words up, words up. Okay, great job. Yes, big. B-I-G, big. Good job, guys. Great job. Okay, hands up. Who thinks they can use big in a sentence? Who thinks they can use the word big in a sentence? Okay. Can you use the word big in a sentence for me? Yeah, great job. B-I-G. Now, how would you use the word big? So you could say, I have a big hat. Or what sentence would you make using the word big? I have a big house. Nice, very good. What about you, young man? Do you use the sentence using the word big? I have a big house. Okay, very good, very good, very good. All right, moving on. What's our next question, Miss Anne?
Okay, next one. Number 8. Let's find me the side word for. Find me the side word for. Time start now.
Word for. I have eggs for breakfast. For.
Show up. Very good, everyone.
Alright, great job.
Yes, good. How do you spell the side word for? Right now. Very good, everyone. Yay! Good job. The next number 9.
Alright, guys.
So now, everyone, number 9. What do you use to swim? Look at the picture. Choose the answer. 1, 2, or 3. Okay, look at the picture. What do you use to swim? Number 1, hands and knees. Number 2, arms and legs. Number 3, head and shoulders. Look at the picture. What do you use to swim? 1, hands and knees. 2, arms and legs. 3, head and shoulders. Time starts now. Teacher Jack and I ask you, do you know how to swim?
I do know how to swim, yes. I'm a very good swimmer. What about yourself? Can you swim?
I cannot.
Oh.
Can you teach me how to swim here, please?
time to swim? Hands up.
Who knows swim? Who knows how to swim? Raise up.
Now, do you use your hands and knees to swim? Do you use your arms and legs? Or do you use your head and shoulders?
Head and shoulder. So, the answer is arms and legs. Arms and legs.
Number 2, arms and legs. Great job, guys. Great job.
Number 10.
Oh, fantastic. I love this song. Okay, so what do the little ducks do when Mother Duck says quack, quack, quack? What do the little ducks do when Mother Duck says quack, quack, quack? Do they 1, come walking back? Do they 2, run away? Do they 3, go out to play? Are you ready? The time starts now. So number 1, they come walking back. Number 2, they run away. Number 3, they go out to play. Alright, great job. Show your answers. It is number 1, come walking back. 4 little ducks went out walking away and far away. Our ducks said quack, 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 quack. Alright guys, great job. Who knows? What's a baby duck called? Does anybody know what's a baby duck called? Anybody know? Alright guys, this is round 4 and the final round. Are you ready? Sorry. Are you ready? Alright, Miss Hack, what are we going to do?